Welcome back everyone. In this video, we're going to be doing Dong Po Rou, which is Chinese pork belly. We're going to be doing a smoked version of it today, so it's not going to be completely traditional, but I can assure you it's going to be amazing. All right, so we're going to set up our smoker. We're using our drum today, so we'll open it up, take our cooking grate off, we'll take the heat deflector out, and I've still got some briquettes left in there from a previous cook, so what I'll do is I'll just bang that charcoal grate out. That'll cause the briquettes that are burnt out to just fall through to the ash pan below, and then I'll top it up. Then we can bury a fire lighter in there and light it up. All right, and now we've got about 10 minutes before those briquettes are going to be ready, so we'll use that time to trim and prepare our pork belly. All right, so we've got our beautiful little pork belly. You can use as much or as little as you like. This piece is around 700 grams, so the recipe we're using today will be suitable for this. There's not really too much we need to do here. Just going to trim off a little bit of excess fat on the bottom. Tidy up any thin edges. And this piece is now good to go. And while we've still got a few minutes, I'm just going to get some smoking wood ready. I'm going with a beautiful little chunk of cherry wood, but if you've got another favorite smoking wood for pork, feel free to use that. But for now, I'll put that aside and we'll come back once these briquettes are ready. All right, and now those briquettes have caught light nicely. What we can do is we'll shut our lid, we'll open up both of our vents, and now we'll give our smoker 5 to 10 minutes to come up to our target temperature, which for this cook, we're going to look to hold it around the 250 Fahrenheit or 120 Celsius range. All right, now our smoker's at temperature. We'll open it up. We'll get our chunk of cherry straight on where the fire's burning. We'll get our heat deflector back in, then our cooking grate, and our beautiful little pork belly. Then we'll shut our lid and let this start smoking away. So at the moment, all I want to do is get some smoke into that pork belly. So we're going to let that smoke away for about half an hour to 45 minutes. So while that's happening, we're going to do some pickled carrots we'll use later on. All right, so pickled carrots, super simple. I'm not making much, but if you want to double, triple, or quadruple this recipe, go for it. But I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup of boiling water, a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, half a teaspoon of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we'll chuck a lid on and mix that all around until the sugar and salt has dissolved. And then I'm just going to peel and finely chop a medium-sized carrot into matchstick-sized pieces. And then we can get all of those carrots into the jar. Then we'll put our lid on, let that cool down to room temperature. Once it's there, we'll put it in the fridge until we're ready to use it later on. All right, now our pork belly's not far away from coming out. I'm just going to get the next few things ready in preparation for the next stage of this cook. So we've just got some spring onions here. I'm just going to use the green end, and we just want enough to line the base of a pot. In this case, I'm using a camp oven. I think traditionally they use a clay pot, but whatever you've got that works will do. And we just want to line the base of our pot with the spring onion. And this is going to give us some beautiful flavour and also help to stop our pork belly burning and sticking to the pot. And then we want to get some ginger and peel that. And then we want to just thinly slice a few tablespoons worth of ginger and lay that down on top of the spring onion. Just like so, and now we can put that aside and we'll be ready to use that shortly. All right, now our pork belly's had around 45 minutes in the smoke. Developed a beautiful color. That's looking good, so we'll get that out. Then we're going to slice this into nice big chunks. Now at this stage you can string it up if you want to. It's just going to help it hold its shape a little bit better, but I'm not going to bother doing that. I'm just going to start by placing these skin side down in our camp oven. And now we can add the rest of our ingredients. So we're going to add in 2 cups of Chinese cooking wine, half a cup of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and normally you'd use rock sugar, but I couldn't get hold of any, so we're going to use some brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use white sugar, and we're going to sprinkle over around half a cup. Then we can put our lid on, then we'll open our smoker back up, we'll lower our cooking grate down to this second level, we'll get our camp oven in there, and we want to maintain that 250 Fahrenheit or 120 Celsius, and we'll let this go for around 90 minutes to 2 hours. So basically we want to let that simmer away for those 90 minutes to 2 hours. So if it's easier for you to take it inside and do it on the stovetop, then you can absolutely do that. So we'll let our pork continue to cook away now and we'll check back in once we're a bit further into this cook. All right, we are about 1 hour 45 in. So let's take this lid off and see how we're going. That is just cooking away beautifully at the moment. And now what we want to do is just turn every piece over That skin should be nice and soft now, nice and bite through. Now, like I said, we just want to turn each piece over and just really get that meat nice and tender. And then we'll put this lid back on and let it go for another sort of 60 to 90 minutes. And then we'll check on it for tenderness and finish them off. All right, now we'll get our lid back on and we'll come back once these have had another hour cooking away. All right, so our pork has been cooking away for another hour. So let's take this lid off. That is looking sensational. Have a little probe around. Pork is about 96, 97 Celsius or 205-ish Fahrenheit. That is all nice and tender. So all I'm going to do now is just leave the lid open just like this so that sauce can reduce, and then we'll get ready to serve it. All right, and here we are. Now you can serve this however you want. You can serve this with rice, but I'm going to be putting these inside some buns. So I'll slice open a couple of pieces. We've got some of our pickled carrot in there. Get some fresh cucumber, some of our beautiful pork. We'll spoon over some of that sauce. Then we'll finish it with some red chili and coriander. Now we'll have a taste. Now I'm just going to try a piece on its own first. That's so good. As you can see, that skin just goes soft and bite through. The meat, so tender, juicy and full of flavour. That's amazing. And now we'll try it in the bun. Well, there you have it. That is some incredibly tasty pork belly. And by all means, if you wanted to follow the more traditional process, absolutely go for it. But I absolutely loved the subtle smoke flavor you got in the pork. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you've subscribed to the channel. But for now, it sounds like the neighbors just started some gardening, so it's a good time to end the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.